Hello and welcome to Qrangers. My name is James and I'm joined with my good friend, Qbot.
Hello everyone.
We are so excited to be teaching you today. Come on, let's go. Follow us to the classroom. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning all about animating your sprite. Hey, Qbot, why don't you tell us a little bit about animation?
Animation is a process by which we see still pictures move. Here, James, I can show you an example. First, delete this cat sprite and get a different one. Okay, here is the bat. Now let's go to the Costumes tab. There you can see 4 still pictures. With the help of these 4 pictures, we can make an animation.
You can make an animation using just 4 pictures?
Yes, James. I'll show you how.
Okay, let's get started.
First, we'll go on to the Events tab and drag the When the Green Flag is Clicked block onto our stage. Okay, let's go to the Looks tab. Inside of Looks, we're going to find Switch Costume to Bat D. But we want to switch the costume to Bat A because our first costume starts at Bat A, and then we're going to move on to Bats B, C, and D.
Okay, I see that equals 4 pictures.
That's right. After that, let's get another one. Our second one is going to be Bat B. Now, let's try it out and see what happens.
Qbot, that went a little fast. What happened?
You're right. Let's add a wait block onto it to slow it down. To add a wait block, go to the Control tab, click and drag the wait for 1 second block onto your stage. But 1 second is pretty long, so let's do 3 milliseconds.
Okay, and now let's see what happens. Whoa, Qbot, it worked! I can see the bat flap its wings.
But wait, James, we have 2 more costumes to go. We will start by doing the same thing we did before. Go to the Looks tab, click and drag 2 more of the Switch Costume blocks because we have 2 more costumes left for Bat C and Bat D.
Oh, don't forget to add a wait block of 0.3 milliseconds between the costume changes.
I got them. Okay, now let's check this out.
Well, Qbot, it looks good, but it's a little short. Is there any way we can make the animation keep going?
Yes, we can actually add a forever loop. Under the Control tab, we can click and drag the forever loop onto our stage. Now let's see our animation.
Looks great! We did it, Qbot! We created our first animation.
And don't forget to try it yourself at home. You can also use the skills you learned in our last lessons and some cool backdrops.
Always remember to name your project. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next time.
Don't forget to practice at home.
Bye-bye!